Y'all are so cute. So they say that ducks are really protective, and you can tell. It's like watching me. And the chickens are just like, oh, it's just Brandon, but this thing's like, he's the mob leader. It's like, what's up? Who are you? I'm Brandon. Oh, and the rooster. How are you? They're so cute. Happy Sunday fun day. Hey, rooster. What's up, NBA playoffs? I know. I guess we are also the National Geographic Channel too. Now, where did the mob leader go? There you are. Hey, duck. I don't know. Nature is so fascinating. Alright, let's go see what's going on. Maybe. Maybe not. That's funny. Maybe I'm allowed to look at chickens and turtles, but not sky? Just doesn't make sense. Hey, y'all. I know. That's what I was thinking. It has something to do with the sun. Well, can we follow you? Oh, there you are. So what's the problem, duck? Hmm? It's cool. Pecking order, no pun intended. Bye. Thank you. So, happy Sunday fun day. It's funny. I used to see these cloud structures and be like, darn. And I realized these are some of the most abstract, artistic, I mean, probably some of the most difficult cloud structure too. Hey, Soul. The other day, me and the bird, we both failed. It was so hilarious. It was like, oh no. And I was like, oh no. And I was like, are we gonna recover? And it was like, dude, get the camera off of me. Let me get out of here. It's so funny. Vec says that birds mean transition. So let's transition. I see, bird. Good call. Cool. We'll be back. I guess everybody's on their way. Cool. Alright, we'll see you in a second. Hey, Vector. Hey, Vector. Hey, oops. Hey, Vector. What is Gemini's horoscope today? Okay. Alright.